guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to talk to you about a new brand launch on Nykaa and it is e.l.f. Cosmetics. So e.l.f. literally stands for eyes, lips and face, and they're a very affordable and accessible makeup brand and it's very popular abroad as well. So I'm so happy that they're finally now on Nykaa. So just recently I got sent some of their products by Nykaa and I was so happy that I could try all of these products beforehand, and in today's video I'm obviously going to give you my honest review and opinion on all of these products and recommend you some of my favorites as well. So without any further ado, let's just get right into the video because I know that you guys are excited to see all of the products and I am personally excited to talk about it as well. But before we get started, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and yeah, let's get started. So this is how the box looks like, and once you open it up, it contains all of the products which they have sent me. Obviously this is not the entire range that they're launching, this is probably their best sellers I would say, and that's what has been sent to me as well. And I'm so happy that I got all of these because I have not tried a lot of e.l.f. products before, so I thought that this is just a great way to introduce you to the brand as well and talk about the products and my personal review. So first I'm going to start by talking about the products which I personally really enjoyed using, and this one has to be one of them. This is the e.l.f. liquid glitter eyeshadow in the shade Copper Pop, and this is how the packaging of that looks like. It's super cute. So the whole brand aesthetic is very simple and minimalistic, which I personally like, and this liquid glitter eyeshadow is so good. I'm actually wearing it on my eyes as well. This is better lighting, I think. As you can tell, I've actually just used it on the outer corner of my eye, and I'm sure that they're going to launch more shades in this, but this one is just so perfect for Indian skin tones because it's that beautiful copper bronze shade with a hint of, shimmer in it. And I love these kind of products because they're really easy to use. So literally anybody could use them. Even if you're a beginner, you could still use this and pull it off. So I'm just going to swatch it on my hand for you. Look at that. It's so pretty. And you don't have a lot of these kind of liquid glitter eyeshadows at an affordable price, at least in India. So I feel like this one is something that you should definitely get your hands on. It's super metallic and pretty. Also, don't worry, I'm going to leave all of the product names and links in the description box below. If you want to get it for yourself, you can just click on the link and shop it. The next product is a random one because I personally don't talk a lot about makeup sponges, but this one was so good that I had to mention it. This is their Camo Concealer Sponge and it's so good. Firstly, I was really intrigued by the shape of it because I've not seen a sponge like this. It's like your egg shape, but it's really long as well. And don't worry, it doesn't come like this. It's obviously really clean. I have used it, which is why it's a bit dirty because of the foundation on it, but it's so good. Firstly, it feels super soft, which I like. Now there are some people who like stiff sponges, but I don't. I like the feeling of a soft sponge in my hand, which is why I always love the Beauty Blender, the original one, so much because it's super soft, and this just blends everything so seamlessly into the skin. So I have applied my foundation and concealer with this today and I'm really impressed with the quality, and it does not feel cheap at all. Like the sponge quality feels really good, and again it has a tip, so it's really easy to blend in your concealer and you can blend in your foundation also really well with this. So if you are on the lookout for a good makeup sponge, then this one is a definite must have, so do try it out. Next up is an eyeshadow palette, and this is their bite size eyeshadow in the shade Cream and Sugar. Again, really impressed with the quality of these shadows. I've used both of the shades on my eyes today as well, and as you can see that they are really pigmented, and again just such a cute packaging as well. And all of these products are going to be affordable, so that's something that I personally really like about a brand as well, that they've made it accessible and they've given good quality as well. So this is how all of the shades look like this is literally like a palette what anybody could use. So it has like a matte brown and a matte transition shade as well. So I personally like using these kind of shades on the outer corner of my eye as I've used it today. And this just blends everything together. And both of these shimmer shades are also so pretty. Just look at that. Look at that shade. It's so beautiful. And they're really creamy as well. They don't feel chunky. Because sometimes affordable eyeshadow palettes are really chalky and they don't blend, but these are not like that. Like, as you can tell that they feel really good in terms of the quality, and I really loved and using it on my eyes as well. Also, I'm going to create a lot of makeup tutorials using these products on my Instagram, so definitely check that out. Now let's talk about some of their lip products. So first up is this one, which is the e.l.f. liquid matte lipstick in the shade Red Vixen, and that's the shade that I'm wearing on my lips right now. Now you guys know that I don't wear a lot of red shades, but this is a shade that they had sent me, so I had to try it on, and I really enjoyed the formula on this. It feels super matte, as you can tell, and has great pigment on it, but again it doesn't feel drying at all, which is very rare when it comes to liquid lipsticks, because most of the ones that I've tried feel extremely drying on my lips, which is why I don't use liquid lipsticks as such. The liquid lipstick consistency is really thin, which is why it doesn't feel heavy on the lips, as you can tell. And also this shade is really pretty, and I'm sure that they are going to launch more shades in this, so I'm excited to get my hands on the nudes from this particular collection. So this one was a really good one, and also I love the applicator on this. Like, when it comes to these kind of red shades, it's very difficult to get so precise, but I just applied this with this applicator, and it was very easy as well. So do check this liquid lipstick formula out if you are someone who loves long lasting lip colors. Next up we have this, which is their day to night lipstick duo, and this one is the Red Hot Reds. Again, this is a red. I mean, I wish I had got a nude, because you guys know that I only wear nude and pink shades, but I really wanted to try out the formula on this, and this is how it looks like. So it's a different concept. Like, I've not seen these kind of lipsticks, at least in India. So you have a dual ended lip product. So one side is like the shade you would wear during the day, and the other side is the one that you would probably wear it at night. So I love the concept of it. It's really cute, and also you get like two lip colors in one, so that's always a great thing, right? And I'm just going to swatch the day shade for you first. This is how that one looks like, and this is the shade. Again, like, such great pigment, so really impressed with their lip formulas, and this is how it looks like on my hands. Also, I'm not being biased in any way just because they have sent me the products. You can see it for yourself when I'm swatching it live that they are really good quality, so that's why I'm saying nice things about it. If I don't like something, then I'll definitely mention that as well. And this one is the night one, which is like a deeper red. So this is, whoa, this color is something which I personally like. I like deeper reds, especially on Indian skin. Like, I don't like brighter reds as such, and this is the shade. It's super pretty, so I really like the concept. Not that I would wear this shade during the day as well, even though they mentioned it's for day, but I really like the idea of it. And as I mentioned, that they are creamy lipsticks, so they're not going to give you that matte finish like this one does, but they're very creamy and pigmented. They're very creamy and pigmented, so if you are into those kind of lip colors, then you can definitely give these a go as well. Now the next product that we have is this one, which is their monochromatic multi stick in luminous berry, and this is like a versatile product that you can use on your lips, your cheeks, literally everywhere. I was really excited to try out this product because you guys know I love just cream based blushes, but this one I was not a big fan of. Firstly, I'm just going to show you the shade of this. So this is what it looks like. Now I personally don't like these kind of like shimmery shades, especially on my cheeks. They don't go well with my skin tone, and I wasn't a big fan of the formula as well. Now the thing that I personally did not like about this stick is the consistency of it. So as you can tell that I've applied it, but once you blend it, it just moves, so you can see my skin underneath. So this is definitely not going to sit well on the skin. Once I applied it on my cheeks as well, I could see that it moved my foundation a bit, and that's something that definitely a cream blush should not do. And that's why I really did not like it, and I don't like the color payoff on this as well. It's very sheer for me. Like, as you can tell, once it blended, it's literally nothing. So I was not a big fan of this product. Next up we have this product right here, and this is the Poreless Putty Primer, and This I was also again excited about because this is a popular product by ELF. Now this is how the consistency of that looks like. So this is a primer that's just going to give you that, you know, poreless finish on the skin and just go smooth out any sort of texture that you might have. And it also has squalane in it, and squalane is a very good hydrating ingredient, so it's going to minimize the pores but at the same time hydrate your skin as well. So the entire concept was just so good and fascinating for me. So this is how it looks like, and the texture again feels really soft and hydrating. Now once I used it on my skin, I did not see a lot of difference with respect to pore minimizing as such, because I feel like, you know, for that you need a little bit of thicker consistency to fill up the pores so that it just blurs out everything. But it's definitely hydrating as such on the skin. Like, it feels really smooth once you apply it. So I did feel that my foundation applied really nicely and beautifully on the skin because it has this sort of smooth consistency. Also, another thing that I wanted to mention is that concealers and foundations by ELF are also really popular, and I'm personally very excited to get my hands on their concealer. I'm going to leave a picture on the screen of the one that I'm talking about. It's very famous, so you know, you all can also get your hands on it, or you all can wait for my review. I'm definitely going to get my hands on it if it's available, and maybe then I'll do, you know, stories on my page as well, so stay tuned for that. Next, let's talk about another eye product, and this is their Precision Liquid Eyeliner, and this is how it looks like. So this is just your regular liquid eyeliner with this brush sort of an applicator. It's really fine, and this is how it looks like on my hand. Again, another product that I wasn't personally blown away by it. Like, I have tried other liquid eyeliners which I have personally really enjoyed using, so I wouldn't recommend spending your money on this eyeliner as well. And another product that I wanted to actually give a go is actually their blush palettes. Their blush palettes are supposed to be really good quality. So, you know, like, I haven't got all of the product range, so I'm definitely going to get my hands on that product as well, because I'm sure that they have other hidden gems which I'm not talking about in this video. Next up is their brow product, and this is the Wow Brow. It's a volumizing fiber gel. So this is again like a mascara for your brows, and this is how it looks like. So it's a super cute packaging. I really love how tiny it is, and this is how the one looks like. It's super tiny. This color is in brunette, as I mentioned. Now, it's a volumizing brow product. Now, as you can tell that I already have really thick eyebrows, so I probably wouldn't be the right person to judge this product, especially on my eyebrows, because as you can tell, I don't need any eyebrow product. But I really love the way it set my eyebrows in place, so I will probably can't talk today, I'm really excited. I'll probably use this to just set my eyebrows, and this color actually is a good one because I don't like using darker colored, you know, brow products on my eyes, because as you can tell, they're already really jet black, so I don't want to intensify them even more. So it's a really strong feature on my eyes. So to, you know, tone it down, you can actually use a lighter color you know, brow product, and this is how it looks like on my eyes. I've used it today as well. And next up we have this, which is their powder highlighter in the shade 24K Gold, and this is how it looks like. Now, when I saw this, I was so excited to put it on my skin. So this is how it looks like on my cheeks. As you can tell that it has added a beautiful highlight, and this is how it looks like. So once you look at it, you think that it's going to be like really intense, right? Because it's super pretty. Love the design on it as well. So, you know, it's not like an extremely pigmented highlighter. It has a very sheer formula, as you can tell. And you know, once I applied it on my skin, you had to build it up to get this sort of intensity. So that's one thing I would say. It definitely looks pretty on the cheeks once you use it, but it's not like your one swipe, you know, like intense highlight. You have to build this on. So if you are someone who does not like intense highlighters, then you could probably give this one a go. That's something I definitely wanted to mention, so that you don't have high expectations for this highlighter. This is a point that I wanted to, you know, talk about. Then we have this, which is their lip plumping gloss, and I actually haven't tried this, so I'll probably try it right now. This is in the shade Champagne Glam. As you can tell, it has flecks of like little glitter in it, but it's not anything chunky at all. Just gonna apply it on this. Probably gonna be the most horrible combination because red lips with gloss is something I would hate, but just let's try it on. Okay, so this is how it looks like. I mean, I am not a fan of glosses which have shimmer in them, even though this is not like intense shimmer. As you can tell, it looks beautiful. I'm not saying it doesn't, but I personally don't like these sort of glosses. And it definitely has a cooling sensation to it because, you know, it's supposed to be a plumping gloss. That's why it feels really cooling on the lips. So this is how it looks like. Probably if there are other colors in this, then I would like to try that out because I don't like, you know, clear glosses as such. I like something with a hint of color in it. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I really hope that you all enjoyed my review on all of these e.l.f. products. You can shop all of them exclusively on Nykaa. And also if you all want me to, you know, try out any other products from the brand that you all have loved, then definitely leave them in the comments down below. And I really hope that you enjoy this honest review as always. And again, as I mentioned, I'm going to try other products from the brand as well because I'm excited to give those a go as well. And if you liked it, then please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and let them know that the brand has finally launched so that they can also shop for themselves. And yeah, also I just keep talking sometimes. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I will see you all later. Love you. Bye.